Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch Samsung LED TV that comes to repair for the fault backlight. Okay, no picture. Here we already opened the TV back cover. See friends, this TV comes with a 32-inch BOE panel. Actually this panel is internally short. Panel replacement is the only solution, so we are going to replace it with same BOE panel because the panel T-con board is integrated with the TV motherboard. Finally here we replaced the panel and the work is done. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.